Amaqembu ezoMbusazwe aphawulile ngenkulumo kaMengameli.
Let me put it very clearly, and that is exactly what the Freedom Front Plus has predicted, that we're going to hear new and old promises from the President, and it appears that the last 6 State of the Nation addresses were cut and paste, and this has been his new address. So what he said today is nothing new. If you come to the police, you know, he said last year that they're going to recruit 12,000 new members. Now he says 10,000. I can assure you that it was not 12,000 that had been recruited last year. It's a big problem. The question is whether we have the money. The President wants to create the impression that the government has crime under control. It's a lie.
I see the speech as nothing more than adding a few more wasted years to the 9 wasted years of Mr. Ramaphosa's previous incumbent, Mr. Zuma.
The situation in this country is that we always listen to these lofty ideals and plans, but we don't normally see implementation.
We have a crisis as far as the debt is concerned in the country. Now you're going to go and borrow more and more. The President put emphasis on infrastructure. And we know time and time again they were not able to implement these projects of theirs.
The President will come, make a presentation and not achieve anything at all. We had thought that you would come here and say, I spoke to you last year, I spoke to the people of South Africa, this is what I have achieved. But then nothing like that has actually come forward.
In summary, the whole address, I can put it as a long-winded narrative around ESCOM, load shedding, and the creation of new promises with no precise action plan